There's nothing that beats a hot meal after a day on the trail. But building a full fire to cook is not always convenient. That's why it is important to pack a good wood-burning stove with you. A good stove can help you get your dinner cooked quickly with minimal wasted effort. However, if space is a limitation and you want to travel light, then one of the best options is a backpacking stove that easily fits in your bag. In this video, we are going to take a look at the best wood-burning backpacking stoves available right now.
The Solo Stove Campfire. The Campfire uses the same design and technology as the original patented Solo Stove, but it's bigger. Don't worry though, it's still super efficient and weighs only 2 pounds. It's made out of premium stainless steel, and our one-piece construction ensures durability and quality. The Campfire is a perfect stove that your entire group of friends or whole family can enjoy at the same time. We wanted to bring that campfire experience and excitement to all of you who just want a simple and easy campfire, whether it's at a campsite or in your backyard. It's designed with a double wall, which allows airflow through the bottom holes of the stove to channel air to the bottom of the fire and up between the walls of the stove. This preheated air feeding back into the fire through the smaller holes at the top of the stove causes a secondary burn. This allows the fire to burn more complete, which results in a more efficient fire with very little smoke. A more efficient burn also means you'll use much less wood compared to an open campfire.
QuickStove was born because we saw a need to provide affordable but reliable camping and emergency preparedness cooking solutions. The QuickStove Cook Kit includes a custom stainless steel pot with a sturdy handle that locks the lid down for easy transportation. The lid can also be used as a cooking pan, eating plate, or flipped upside down while cooking to be used as a double boiler. When not in use, the pot holds the stove and 2 fuel discs for easy transportation as a self-contained kit. The cube stove weighs less than a pound and is made of durable steel, which makes the stove strong enough to support any size pot or pan you would like to use. The stove is optimized to burn the QuickStove fuel discs, but easily burns other fuel sources like hexamine fuel tablets, sterno cans, wood, charcoal, and alcohol burners. When using the provided pot and fire starters, you can boil 4 cups of water in under 4 minutes.
Meet the next generation of fire with the Campstove 2. A portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the Campstove 2 provides 50% more power than the Campstove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere.
Check out this new accessory for the Firebox Nano. It's a case, and it's actually a stand for the Firebox Nano. The X pattern locks the Nano in its open position. These pins slide up into the carbon felt, create a wind block. Even put this wind block across the corner.
We're Aquaforno, and this is the Aquaforno 2. Since 2011, we've been making award-winning telescopic multi-stoves designed to be used with wood, charcoal or gas all year round. The Aquaforno 2 is the perfect stove for everyone who enjoys spending time and cooking in the great outdoors. It's like a kitchen in a backpack, so you can cook your meals, keep warm, and even have your hot drinks on tap. It's perfect whether you're camping, hunting, or at home in the garden, on a day out, or tailgating at the game.